first and last name and spell it in your title, please.
Peter Laroe, Laroe. I'm operations manager for Purple Elephant Car Washes.
Why are you guys doing this today?
Well, we all know that this is a dreadful disease which there's no cure for. We feel that if we get the name out there of how bad Alzheimer's is, that we're able to generate more revenue to go to research and to help fund programs that help teach people how to care for people that have the disease. And I'm sure there's a lot more that I don't know of.
Yeah. So what do you think? You're saying a lot of families, you guys, a lot of people have connections.
Absolutely. We've all have some family members that are experiencing the difficulties of Alzheimer's and dementia, and of course, brain issues. It's a struggle, and hopefully, with a little bit of more recognition for this cause, we're able to get people more involved and be able to possibly come up with a cure someday.